Hello teachers! Kumusta po kayong lahat? So, ngayon naman po yung ating ipinapakita ay ang ating mga catch-up files. So, as we all know, every Friday ngayong new curriculum, ngayong school year 2024 to 2025, we will have our catch-up Friday. Anyway, this was already practiced last school year and ngayon po ay ipagpatuloy lamang. Somehow, may dagdag po siya which is ang NMP, ang HGP o ang Homeroom Guidance Program na i-integrate po during Friday. So now, to help you, I decided to upload these files. Pinagsama-sama ko na lang po yung dati and then yung ngayon in such that lahat po ay maisama natin. Okay. So, una po is, ito yung ating DLL Catch-up Fridays. So, ito po kung makikita nyo, ito po yung last school year. Ayan po yung mga laman niya. So, konti lang naman po siya, but then I guess, pwede nyo na po itong pagsamasamahin. Ayan. And then, baka makatulong na rin po. So, ang iba po dyan, grade 1 to grade 12. Then, ito po, Catch-up Fridays, downloadable po yan. Anyway, kung ang iba po is may password, i-message nyo lang po ako sa aking messenger. Ilalagay ko po yung aking link ng Facebook. Ayan. So, these are some of the files natin. And then, ito naman po ngayon, for grade 1, ito po, this file is not mine, but then, my colleagues told me na i-share ko na din daw, gamitin ko yung aking platform in such that mas makaabot po ito sa inyo and then makuha nyo, at least you will have an additional reference. Again po, credits to the developer of these files, itong mga DLL. So nakalagay naman po dyan sa loob kung sino yung mga developer, yung writers, but as someone who has this platform, I want to use this para at least makaabot po sa inyo or sa iba na naghahanap, lalo po sa grade 1. For example, reading and literacy. Ayan po. So, just download it po. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description. Thank you po for always subscribing or giving your comment or feedbacks para at least mag-improve pa po tayo since alam natin na meron pa rin tayong mga kailangan i-improve sa ating channel. Thank you po for watching.